Rotary, and this is episode 14 of the RHS Connection.
So nasty that it's probably somewhat of a travesty having me. Then he told the people you can call me your majesty. Keep your battery charged, you know it won't stick, yo. And it's not his fault you kick slow.
Hey Pirates! Sadie's right around the corner. It's December 3rd, right after our Thanksgiving break.
We hope to see you there.
Hi guys, my name's Ashley Campos and I'm going to be taking you guys to the Tiger Romp obstacle practice thing for criminology.
Morning, criminology program here. We got the major challenge going on today. Officer Raymer versus Ashley. We'll see who comes out on top.
Alright, I haven't done this since the academy. I'm already out of breath. Alright.
Alright, let me know when to go.
We're gonna round. What? What?
That vest is just as big as her.
Tell me when to go.
Ready?
I'm scared.
You almost got it.
Oh. Hold on guys, I'm not giving up.
You got time for lunch? Yeah? For lunchtime?
Lunchtime?
I'm defeated. We're the really high CSI department. Thank you for coming with us to the Valley RP Training Center.
Good job! Yeah!
Hey, do you guys know that we have a new welding teacher on campus? Let's go check that out.
What's up guys, my name is Mr. Flores. I'm the welding instructor here at Really High. So in our welding class, we're trying to develop skills, techniques that we could use not only at home, but also out in the industry. We get to practice with a lot of welding processes that you see out there in the field.
So here in Mr. Flores' class, what I really like is that we get to use different electrodes, so you get to practice different skills.
What I really like about welding is that how Mr. Flores right here, he opens up the shop after school and everything for us students to who wants to pursue our dreams, develop our skills in welding in the future.
My name is Mr. Flores. I'm the welding instructor here at Really High. Thank you for watching.
Hey you, make sure to put your trash in the trash can.
Dear ASP President, Serena Garcia, I've had a crush on you since forever. I don't know what to do now. I can't write this. Because I can't.
Oh damn, I have missing assignments. I think I threw them away.
No, 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 no. Wait.
Done.
You might not believe it, but I used to be a freshman. Here's some free advice.
Some advice I have for the freshmen is just have fun. Don't take anything for granted. It flies by really fast, and so don't be nervous.
My advice would be do your work on time. Don't fall behind, because eventually it'll catch up to you.
My advice for all you freshmen is to focus on your classes. Don't focus on the chicks. You know, get your grades up, because next year as sophomores, you're gonna be taking classes with freshmen, and that's not a good look for you guys.
All right, what's the advice you have for the freshmen?
Advice I have for the freshmen is always do your work. Get all your language classes done this year, freshman year, and sophomore year. So then by junior year and senior year, you'll have all these electives to do.
My advice for the freshmen is to not fall behind in classes. It's just more work for you and more work for the teachers. And don't be loud. That's annoying. Please don't.
I would say the biggest thing is getting good sleep. Like, you're gonna find how valuable sleep is when you're a junior and a senior, and like you're gonna have like eye bags, and you're gonna get like 5 hours of sleep. You're gonna look like a raccoon walking around, but it's all to get good grades.
For you freshmen, my advice is just to focus on yourself. I know it's very exciting. It's like your first year of high school. You meet like lots of people. You want to hang out with them, you know? But always just focus on yourself, you know? Because you matter.
If you're looking for a place to eat, check out this place downtown.
Hello guys, it is lunchtime at RHS and today we are at Tommy's Bistro. Let's try it out. Today at Tommy's Bistro, I got a carnivore burrito and a strawberry and banana crepe. And as you see in the video, you see how the crepe is being made and you see how the food is being arranged. The atmosphere is really nice, the service is really great, and it's a nice place to go to during lunch. This is amazing. Hey Pirates, Tommy's Bistro is sadly closing on December 15th, so make sure to go out and show some support and love to Tommy's Bistro. Thank you for watching, Pirates.
Thanks for watching, Pirates. See you in the next one.